So we are done with our bathing soap. Let's do body scrub. Now, one thing, if you're using a particular product and you find out that it's not working on your body again, you have to pause and scrub your body. You have to scrub your body before you continue using that product again. So let's do body scrub that is unique for all body type, whether you are fair, whether you are chocolate, whether you are caramel color, any color, you can use this scrub. Let's go there. So here we have our mango butter. I'm going to add our sugar. We need a sugar to do this. Please. I'm also doing it for someone, and also my own. I'm doing it for somebody and also my own. And I'm doing it too. It has been long. I scrub myself because of no time. I have to mix it with the mango butter. Mix it very, very well. So when you are done, you start putting the other ingredients, and the first ingredient we add here is our cinnamon powder. I love cinnamon very well. You do wonders in the body. You can Google, please. I have my cinnamon powder. I have my turmeric, which is the baba of it all. I have my turmeric powder. I have my liquor rice powder. I have my liquor rice powder. This is all the powder I will use. Mix. You can put coffee if you want. I don't have coffee. If not, I have used coffee too. I have added coffee here. I don't have at home. Then you have to start putting your oil now. Start putting your oils. I have my turmeric oil. I have my tea tree oil. It's an essential oil, very good. I have my honey. Then I have my body wash. This was body wash. I just got it from this soap. I just finished doing. So from the soap I did. And I generally this my body wash. You can use any body wash. But I want to use the one from the soap. I just finished producing now. Yes. Then I will put my lemon. I'm putting my lemon. It will serve as a preservative. My lemon will also serve as a preservative. Don't mind me. And then use sieve to sieve out the seed. I've done a bad man work here now. I'm removing the seed. So this lemon will also serve as a preservative. So if you are putting lemon, no need of adding preservative. This scrub can last you up to 6 months. And give it a good mix. You can do it yourself, you can do it at home and use, no need of value. It's very simple and the materials is very affordable. Then I'm adding my body wash now. My body scrub is ready. As you can see, can you see it? I'm gonna do just get inside the bathroom, wet your body, start using it to scrub your body, scrub your face, scrub your dark tights, scrub your dark armpits. Just scrub. Just when you finish applying it in your body, so also use your hand and be massaging on your body small, massaging it until the sugar will finish melting. You will be massaging it. Just take your time, you know, for like 20 minutes inside your bathroom. Just be massaging it on the sugar will finish melting. Then you wait for like 5 minutes before you will now wash it out. Then use your soap and sponge to bathe. So our scrub is ready. That's our body scrub. Let's put it inside the container now. Here. So we are now putting it inside our container. See our scrub.